my beautiful soul, welcome back to our channel, and we will be seeing today what is our twin flame journey, where are we going, where is it leading us, what do we need to know, where is our divine masculine, and what is happening with him. It's a collective reading, so do take whatever resonates and you can leave the rest. That's super energy. We have some very beautiful great cards over here. We'll even see what is your masculine's deepest desire. Really something happening over here, divine feminine. There is a lot of ups and downs. I think your masculine must have come, met you and gone away back. He must have ghosted you. There is some kind of a tower moment he is facing, you are feeling betrayed, you are feeling left alone. He knows you are there in his life, he knows what you are, he knows you're a star, but right now he is so confused. He is so confused with the third party. He has somebody else in his life. Third party can be friends, family, relationship, and it can even be the work. So what I'm seeing over here is he is so confused. He's thinking he wants to come to you, but yes, there is been a tower moment. He is been running. He wanted to come to you, but yes, this tower came and just shattered everything up. You really must have felt that things were going very right with you and your masculine. But what I see over here is he must have just come, spoken to you a little bit, gone away. He's ghosted you. He is got hit rock bottom. He is feeling that pain after leaving you. He knows it. He feels so stuck at the situation. He feels so stuck at the situation and he knows the reason. Because of he leaving you, he knows what he's got. He's got this tower moment. He has felt that pain and everything because he left you. He did not want to, but things are not really going according to his wish at this moment. Divine feminine, the masculine is not doing this on purpose. If he is leaving you, if he is going, it means that there is this journey, right, between you and your masculine, you and your feminine. The masculine can be a girl or a boy. Yes, we all know that in our twin flame journey, our masculine can be a girl or a boy, and what I'm seeing over here, the feminine is waiting. She is in her own power. She is standing and waiting for a masculine to come. He came. It's not that he didn't come. He came, he spoke, he was in touch with you, and at once there was this tower moment and he had to pull back. And when he pulled back, this is what I'm seeing over here. He is feeling that pain. He is feeling that hurt. He is feeling so stuck that he cannot again come to you because he's feeling this pain. Right now, your masculine is got a complete tower moment. Divine feminine, it's only you and your strength, and you being a star will make your masculine grow financially, mentally, everything. Divine feminine, it's you. It's only you can make some changes in you, work in your inner self, work in your inner healing, so you can energize. Thank you, angel. You can energize your masculine's energy. Let him get out of this tower moment which he's completely hit rock bottom over here. Let him come out of that. Let him come out of this two duality which he's thinking. He doesn't know whether he should go with this or he doesn't know whether he should go with this. He is so confused, but yes, he still knows that you are the one. He knows you are the star, but he is so confused to take any decision and to come to the star. He wants to come, but he is stuck. He's stuck to come to you. He is so stuck to come to you at this situation, at this moment. The cards have just gone haywire. So yes, what else am I seeing? I'm so sorry for the dogs barking. What else am I seeing over here? Divine feminine, we need to wait. All the divine feminines, you all need to wait. Have your power, be strong, because you are the only one, that lighthouse, who's going to help your masculine come to you. And let me see, what does your masculine needs to say? What is his deepest desire which he is really not saying to you at this current situation? Because he knows he's goofed up a big time. He knows that he's made a very bad decision by running away from you. I can really see that he came, There was a conversation, there was everything, but he went away. He ran away. Divine masculine, where is he? What is in his mind? What does he want to inform the divine feminine? Thank you. Okay, I'll take that. What does our masculine needs to say? Memories. I am not saying what is really on my mind. Divine feminine, he doesn't want to really say what is in his mind, what is in his heart, what he really wants to express to you at this situation. He doesn't know why he ghosted you, why he came and he ghosted you again. He really doesn't know. I am scared of being alone. He says that I am so scared of being alone where I am right now. He is really feeling lonely. He is feeling this lonely over here. He feels there is no way out. He really feels that, divine feminine. Please forgive me for ignoring you. Yes, that's exactly right. Please forgive your divine masculine, because he really doesn't know why is he ignoring you. Why did he just go away like this? Start a family together. He wants a family. Yeah, there is. Empress, he wants this family with you. He wants to be with you. Let's start. It's all in his mind. It's all in his mind. He wants everything with you, but he doesn't want to take an action. He doesn't want to come to you. He doesn't want to commit to you. That's the only thing I can see over here. He's waiting to come. He's waiting. But he doesn't want to take an action. Yes, there is a little action over here, but this action isn't haywire. This action is the Tower moment which he came and went off. So we have lies. Take a step back. I can't trust you. So divine masculine is right now not trusting anyone, because obviously of all whatever he's gone through in his life. I have grown to love you over time. So what happens over here is your person, he is started loving you, but it's been that time. He needed that time to understand and to recognize his relationship, his bond with you. So I have really picked up a 2 or 3 energies over here. One where the masculine is really saying that I cannot trust anyone. That's what I have gone through. That's the reason today when I ran away from you, I have got this Tower moment. Second, masculine is saying that I really want to have a family with you. Memories. I'm not saying what's really on my mind. So your person over here doesn't know what to say, how to express himself. He has a really blockage in his throat chakra. That's the reason he really cannot make a decision, cannot make a right choice what he really wants to. I'm scared of being alone. He is scared of being alone. But yes, he's scared of people, being cruel to him, being a liar, and people cheating him. And that's why he's scared to be alone. Please forgive me. I ignoring you. Yes, he is asking you, please forgive me. Divine feminine, let me see what is in your mind. What's that one thing you need to tell to your masculine? What is that one thing that you would like to tell to your masculine in the 5D? What would you tell your masculine in the 5D? Thank you. Divine feminine, this cannot be more better. I am trying to understand. You are telling your masculine, I am trying to understand what you're doing right now. Why have you ghosted me? Why are you going away? I am just trying to understand. This was really a very powerful, it was a rock bottom for the divine masculine and divine feminine. It's only you who would understand. You know why? Because at the end of the day, you are this beautiful star and you are a divine being. You will understand your masculine. It's your choice. Your masculines, whatever they're doing right now, it's not by their will. It's the divine. It's whatever they have gone through, whatever they have taken a wrong decision, they have to face that. After facing those decisions, they will come back to you, and you know that very well. But yes, you have a free will to choose when he comes back to you, whether you want him or whether you don't want him. Because this, I'm sure this is not the first time he's left you like this. I'm sure our divine masculine is always had this chaser and runner, runner and chaser. Yes, these moments have always happened in our journey. So it's completely your choice whether you want to give this masculine a chance or not, because you are the star. You have this opportunity because you are doing so much of inner work. You have this opportunity to whether let your masculine come in and have this journey with you only if he commits to you. And if he doesn't commit to you, then you know what to do, Divine Feminine. How long can you be waiting? Isn't it? So, this completely reading is up to you. And what are you saying? What are you saying to your Divine Masculine is, I am trying to understand. I am trying to understand this whole situation. Why is it happening? So, thank you so much. Have a great day. Love you. God bless you. And please do take care. Bye bye.